check out this makeup while I think about it.
Hey you, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited because I received in the mail the new Jackie Aina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I am so excited to show you this palette, try it on, tell you my thoughts. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. So when Jackie Aina announced she was dropping a palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills, I was so excited for her. This is such an awesome accomplishment for her and for all of the chocolate girls, okay? Because we love makeup too, and we love high-end products. So I'm excited for myself because this is the first time that I will be trying Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've always said that I wanted one of their palettes, but I just hadn't bought into them yet. I've gone to Ulta and Sephora and looked at the palettes, and the pants just seemed a little bit smaller than I imagined them being after seeing them in a lot of YouTube reviews. So I just hadn't really bought into it, but I've heard so many good things about them, and when Jackie Aina said that she was dropping this palette, I knew that I was going to be buying it, therefore that I was going to be getting my first ABH palette. Here it is, and guys, the packaging is so gorgeous, and it has her logo on here that she says her honey Dennis design, which is really cool. Now this palette retails for $45. I'm going to be doing the swatches today. By the time you see this video, I will already have released that video, so I will link it above so you can see it. The day that she announced that she was releasing this palette, she gave all the dates of when it was going on sale, but said that there would be a soft early sale like the following day. So I was on it. When I tell you I was on it, I have the notification turned on, and 10 minutes for the drop time, I was on Jackie Aina's Instagram. As soon as 3 p.m. Central hit, I was refreshing the page like, where is it, Jackie? 301, 302, 303, 304 went by. I was like, okay, Jackie, what's going on? 305 hits, I refreshed, and there it was, a picture of the palette and view products. I clicked the view products and went through the website, purchased the palette. They had two different choices, a $55 option where you could get a nicer PR kind of type of package. I just went ahead and clicked on the $45. I didn't want to waste time trying to see what the difference was. Immediately checked out. 45 seconds later, after beginning that process, it told me that my order was confirmed, and I refreshed the page just to see what the option was for the other $55 palette. It was sold out. Looked at the other one, sold out. Okay, so people are saying she sold out in 5 minutes. She sold out in seconds, y'all. Every other major drop like this, whenever I get ready to check out, I always get booted. The system would be like, not available or something like that. So I was just really excited that this one went through. This is the beautiful palette. Jackie gets an A on the packaging. This is so pretty. And here we have the beautiful colors. This palette has 14 shades, 6 matte, 6 shimmers, and 2 foils. All Anastasia palettes come with a brush. This is not the type of brush that I would use. When you open the package, you get this little piece of paper from Anastasia Beverly Hills that says Supreme Pinker and Big Wig. Warning, not intended for use around the immediate eye. These 3 shades right here, from pink to purple, I'm not really sure what that's about. I'm not sure if Anastasia does that with all of their palettes. So if you guys have used ABH before, if you have seen this type of message with any of their shadows, please drop in the comments what that means. It's an eyeshadow palette, so all of the colors should be able to be used around your eye. I mean, I don't know, but if that is the case, I think that's a little difficult for me to try to remember that, oh, these 3 colors in the palette I can't use too close to my eyes. I mean, come on. I'm like, okay. We're gonna play with this today. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this gorgeous palette. It's been almost a couple of days since I shot that intro. It took me a lot longer to film that swatch video than I thought that it would take. Interruptions with the baby and the hubby and all that kind of stuff. So, and then I ended up creating a look out of the swatches that I was doing. So I'm just coming back another day, and let me tell you, I have been playing with this palette non-stop. I probably created 4 looks in the last 2 days. Really loving this palette, and I've been playing a lot with the shimmers. So today I want to do a matte look, and if you see that I've broken out, that's because your girl has been lazy, not taking off the makeup before falling asleep, and this is what happens to my face when I don't follow the rules, okay? But don't mind her. I love how it takes almost nothing to get such good payoff. This is my favorite palette right now, and that's really shocking to me because I have been trying Natasha Denona, I have been trying Bobbi Brown, a lot of other high-end really good eyeshadow palettes, but this one, OMG. I put ginger in my transition. Now I'm gonna go in with edges in my crease. I'm telling you, this palette, not that it's a beginner palette, but if you are a beginner in makeup and you want a palette that you can use that is going to assist you in applying shadows like a pro, this is the one, guys. So now I'm just gonna take a shader brush and I'm dipping into pinker. Really, really loving this shade.
Any ideas?
Gorge. Now I'm popping into Credit, and I'm just gonna stick that in the outer third. Remember that little piece of paper I was telling you guys about in the intro? I created a look. I'll insert a picture. And when I created this look, I had took Big Wig, which is one of those 3 colors they were talking about, and I put it in my waterline, and then I had put Shookington on top of that. My eye began to become irritated. I think it's because these colors may be a lot more powdery than the other colors. Jackie was saying that these 3 colors in particular get you maximum payoffs. I don't know if there's something a little different about those 3 shades, and that's why they tell you not to put them directly around your eye, which I really don't understand, because if you can put it all over your lid, that's, to me, that's like the same thing. I don't know, whatever. Just tread lightly with those colors, but you don't need much anyway because they're so pigmented, but I overdid it. Since I'm not going to be putting that one or any of the other 3 in my waterline anymore, I am going to take Edges because it's such a beautiful pigmented orangey color, and I'm going to pop that. And that's it. I'm just gonna pop on some liner, mascara, and lashes. If you try to go in too early, you can smear it all over your makeup. What I like to do, and then I just like to dab it off the excess. And then just powder over it and keep it pushing. Guys, look what just happened to my duo. I was literally screwing the top off and it just popped off. So I'm just gonna take the edge of my Q-tip, the pointed end, and stick it in, get a little bit on the Q-tip, dab that onto my lashes. My baby's talking and he's saying da 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 da, and I'm trying my best to get him to say mama, and whenever I say mama, he says dada. I think it's just because dada's easier to say than mama. While I'm waiting for my lashes to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a lip. Really been wanting to try this Charlotte Tilbury. Now I'm gonna go with ABH. Since it's an ABH kind of look, I'm gonna go with the Pure Hollywood liquid lip with the Estella topper, and I'm lining with True Brown K. Guys, look how short my True Brown K is. Meant to take the lip gloss. I'm just having a rough kind of day. No, I wasn't feeling that one. Try this one more time. Much better. Yeah, this is an off day, y'all. My lash glue done dried down on me. Mess around with that lip. So this is the look, guys. I hope you like it. I love it. I didn't even put on any highlighter. Like, I don't feel like I need it. You don't need highlighter with every look. I like the look. I love the eyeshadow. I like the lip. I'm feeling good, girl. And it is all in this palette, I'm trying to tell you. Jackie nailed it. Packaging is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot get over it. It's very soft, kind of like leather. Colors are just so gorgeous. The quality is so good. Go support our girl. It's limited edition. Once it's gone, it's gone. And this is a big moment for us, guys. We can use every shade, and these transition shades, they show up on our skin. They're not ashy, they're gorgeous. It blends out so beautifully. I never tell you to get anything, but I'm telling you to get this one. It's worth the $1 and it makes you look gorgeous, darling. I just want to say congratulations to Jackie and Dennis. If you haven't heard, Dennis proposed and Jackie is now engaged. The ring is beautiful. I knew it because Jackie and Dennis went to Greece. They were all in Santorini and Mykonos for her 32nd birthday, and I just knew in the back of my mind that Dennis was going to propose. I knew it. I don't know how I knew it. So when she posted the picture, I wasn't at all surprised. I'm so happy for her. And Jackie, vlog everything, please. We want to see all of the wedding deets. We want to be there when you pick out the dress, girl. We want to be all up in that thing. But whether they show us or not, I'm so happy for her. This palette is so beautiful, and definitely go and support it. The palette is available in stores and online on August 15th. It is currently available now on ABH's website. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you found the review of the swatches helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, I'm announcing the July giveaway today. Yesterday made 30 days, so it's being announced in the July giveaway video description, and the winner contacted. There was one other thing that I wanted to say. Let me check out this makeup while I think about it. Also, the August giveaway is open. I'll link that video above so you guys can go into that giveaway if you're interested. And I'm also thinking about buying another one of these before they run out. So let me know if you guys are interested in a giveaway of this palette. If you are new here, my name is Brittany. I love makeup, and if you do too, go ahead and smash the subscribe button below. Become part of the Britty fam, and I will see you in the next video.